to leave your dog without, you have to come with the dog in any situation.
Yeah, it's, the reason why she hasn't come before is because it has just been
yes
over.
Or no. Say yes or no.
Yeah, she has to come with me.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what is your address? Thank you.
Okay. So, are we gonna have problems?
No, I don't have to. No.
Oh, okay. Because you can, as a business owner.
I'm a doctor here for 30 years. I know about the service dog and the appropriation of it and nothing like that.
Yeah.
I know that you can do, and you have been coming. This is the first time you came with the dog.
Yeah, and the only reason why is because it's been triple digits and it's just dangerous for her.
But let me tell you something. No, it's not triple digit now.
No, not. That's why she's coming, because the last couple times it has been over 100 degrees, and
you
it's not
have
safe.
never brought this one. This is the first time you brought it in.
Yeah.
And like I said, your condition is not so severe that you cannot do without. At this time, coming to our office. That's what I mean. Definitely, we will have to make a decision. Something.
Okay. Well, just so you know, it is. I'm not that kind of person, but you can be sued for refusing a service dog.
Well, I mean, I can sue you too. Okay, definitely.
Well, I mean, I'm not threatening you or anything.
I'm telling you, you're threatening me. Okay, I have the right as a citizen to refuse service for somebody.
Well, you can look it up, ADA.
I know about ADA. You can go to anywhere you go. Okay, you will be served with the letter. That's why I refill you a 3-month supply of your medication. You look for another doctor, okay? Yeah.
That right now this is going against ADA law.
Yeah.
So you should know that.
No problem. You make a story, okay?
It's not a story. It's illegal to refuse a service dog. She's not an emotional support animal. She's a service dog. So right now you're going against the law. Where's the sign that says that service dogs are allowed? There's a handicap sign.
No pets allowed.
She's not a pet.
You're not blind. You're not blind.
It doesn't matter if I'm blind.
Allow you this. You made a big mistake.
Okay. Yeah. Right now, this is going against ADA law, which is a federal law.
You just go to ADA law. I want you to go there.
I want you to look online because it says that. She's a service dog. She's not emotional support.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you that.
I cannot see you, okay?
Why not?
Because you're not blind and you come.
It doesn't matter. So do I need to call the police right now?
Okay, our office, we don't allow pet in our office.
She's not a pet.
I tell you, whatever it is.
Okay, do I need to call the police? Okay, you're giving me an anxiety attack right now. Okay?
What am I doing?
You're giving me an anxiety attack.
Well, yeah, because you.
I am shaking.
You're giving me you're telling me.
Okay, do I need to call the police right now? Because you're refusing?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will call Fresno police. I know. Oh my god, I am shaking right now.